A shift in perspective can be the greatest gift. One that transforms everyone it touches, that grows when you share it, that encourages you to do more, that drives you to push the boundaries and pushes you to reimagine the possibilities. What is the difference between a project or a passion? A decision or a direction? A location or a landmark? The difference is vision. It takes vision to start and build a dream from the ground up, and that is what sets Enzigma apart.
I'm Himanshu Shah, CEO and founder of Enzigma. I started Enzigma in 2002, and today we are about 130 people company, providing best of the services to the Fortune 500 companies in US and UK. I had option to buy a ready-made offices in other IT parks or other commercial offices, but again I'll lose that control. I wanted to make a green building. We wanted to be, because I was not even aware of that concept at that time. I had heard of green building outside India, but not here. So I was like, okay, we wanted to be environment friendly building. One thing I believe in is I cannot change the world, but I can make a dent. I can control whatever I can control. I can make it my way.
We were designing for millennials and the new generations, I think. So it was very important to open up the spaces to the outer world at the same time when they are working, because they are spending nearly 40 to 50% of their daytime or night time in this office. After every meeting there was a new thing which we wanted to add to this project.
So whatever problems we were facing in the older building, right? So we do not have much of space. I'll say we don't have a space for recreational activity. We did not have space for, say, training. We did not have enough parking, I would say. When we go and conduct the interview, we did not have enough meeting rooms to conduct the interviews. So all these parameters we took from that learning, and we make sure like we'll fix that in this new building, and that's how actually all the requirements kept on growing.
We never thought from outside in. We started from inside. We started with like how to place workstations, how to get people moving inside the space, and how many people we can fit in comfortably. And we started that planning. We freeze those planning, changed, revised so many times, and then we went on the external architecture. And the external architecture is completely based on our, I would say, climate, weather, considering those elements, that from where we are getting the air, how we can block the heat maximum, how we can get the maximum sunlight. So all the four sides of the building have been designed keeping in mind all these natural elements and the weather we have surrounding this building. So every time we had a discussion, at the end of the meeting, like we used to come up with something. Okay, Piyush bhai, can we do this? Okay, can we have a open amphitheater? Okay, can we have a open like terrace garden? Okay, can we have a small mezzanine cafe maybe? So the things started adding in, and we also were really interested in pushing our limits, that okay, yeah, let's find out some way how we can fit this in.
Parking was the biggest challenge. It's like, we are going this height, you can have only certain site for the parking and all that. So it took us 6 months to just fit the parking.
I think we have not compromised on the experience or the quality of space, but we have achieved maximum number. So we have achieved the efficiency of space. We have not wasted a square inch of a space also in the building. I can confidently say that. Saying that we are constructing 50,000 square feet of slab area on a 8,000 square feet of plot. In the initial brief only, he mentioned that I want a sustainable life cycle of the building. And we are doing a open urban farming on the vertical compound walls and all that. So I think since it is in place right now, we have got very good results of that. So I think that was the very innovative thing which we tried in this project, and it is helping a lot to get the sustainability. And this is in terms of greenery and generating your own food, because that food which we are generating in the urban farming, it is going to be used in the cafeteria and the pantry area, where employees would be having their lunch and dinner and everything. So I think we didn't went for the platinum because we knew, okay, we are good with and we can achieve only silver or gold. So we were working on that, but when we started solving the problems of the future which are going to come, by default we got the points and we got awarded the platinum. When I walked through this building and reach at the top, I really feel that it is much more than I expected. It is much more what I expected actually.
It's a proud feeling I get that, okay, this is something I built. I never thought I would be doing this. And vision wise also, I had not even thought this much it will happen, like, which happened gradually. Obviously I knew planning wise it's going to happen, but 4 years ago when I bought the land, I had not thought of this.
No, it was unbelievable at first, like, that is what, when we talked, did you imagine that it would turn out like this? So it was not something we had ever imagined, So that was the best part, and it really makes you feel humble.
Enzigma is more than a place of work. It is a place that encourages you to be more creative, more sustainable, more collaborative, more efficient. It drives you to being the best version of yourself, to share ideas, and to think beyond the present. The Enzigma campus is a testament to the values we hold so dear. It is a commitment to the future. It is a place where dreams meet reality.